Hi everyone. Well, today we're checking the present progressive all forms. The first thing we will check is the present progressive in the affirmative form. The structure is as follows. We use a subject, am, is, or are, depending on the subject. The next thing is verb in gerund. The next part is a complement, and finally, a time expression. Our examples should be something like this. Shakira is singing pop music now. Shakira is singing pop music now. Each part of the sentence appears such as in Spanish. Shakira is the subject, está means is, cantando, singing, pop music, música pop, and the time expression. Okay? Example number 2. Ricky is dancing at a concert right now. Ricky is dancing at a concert right now. Example number 3. Drake is playing the guitar at home in this moment. Drake is playing the guitar at home in this moment. Let's see example number 4. The dog is barking at my friend at the moment. The dog is barking at my friend at the moment. As you can see, in this moment and at the moment is translated into Spanish as en este momento. Okay, the translation is like en este momento. Okay, so my dear friends, this is the affirmative form. Let's go on with the negative form. Present progressive negative form. Let's continue with this stuff. We have the structure for affirmative, okay, but in this case, for the negative, we are going to use am not, is not, and are not, okay? After this, well, we may use this as it's written here or with the contractions, okay? The next thing is the verb in gerund, the complement, and the time expression, okay? So the only thing which changes is this one, okay? We change am, is, and are to the negative form. Okay, let's see. The example number 1. Shakira isn't singing rock music now. Shakira isn't singing rock music now. As you can see, this is the negative and this is the contraction of is not. And in Spanish, obviously, it's no está. Okay, let's go on. Example number 2, a negative. Ricky isn't running at the park right now. Ricky isn't running at the park right now. What is he doing? He is singing and dancing, so he is not running at the park. Okay? Example number 3. The example number 3 is about Drake and it's written this way. Drake isn't playing the piano at home in this moment. Drake isn't playing the piano at home in this moment. Well, finally, we have our example number 4 and it's this one. The dog isn't playing with a ball at the moment. The dog isn't playing with a ball at the moment. Okay? So my dear friends, as you can see, this is the negative form. Okay? So let's go on with the interrogative form or question form. Present progressive in the interrogative form or question form. Let's see. Our structure in the affirmative form is like this one. Okay? We got a subject, the verb to be am, is, or are, depending on the subject. Okay, so according to the subject, we will use am, is, or are. Then we will use the verb in gerund, a complement, a time expression, and we are missing something else, the question mark. Okay, so we will invert, we will change, we will switch the places for the verb to be and the subject. So we will write the subject, then, well, I mean, sorry, the verb to be. We will write the verb to be for the question form. We will write the verb to be. Then we have the subject, okay, and the verb in gerund, the complement, and time expression. Finally, the question mark. Okay, let's see the examples. Is Shakira singing pop music now? Is Shakira singing pop music now? As you can see, my dear friends, we have the verb to be, okay, the verb to be, the subject, which is Shakira, okay, my dear friends. Then we have the gerund, verb in gerund, and now is singing. The complement is all this, okay, the pop music, okay. And finally, we have the time expression, which is this one, okay, now, and obviously the question mark, okay. Then let's go on. But we have an answer. We must have an answer because this is a question. So is Shakira singing pop music now? Oh, yes, she is singing pop music. So the answer is yes, she is. Let's check example number 2. Is Ricky eating at a restaurant right now? Is Ricky eating at a restaurant right now? Which would be the answer? Is he eating? No, he's singing and dancing. So the answer is negative. No, he isn't. Okay, let's go on with example number 3 for the interrogative verb. And the question is Drake playing the guitar at home in this moment? Is Drake playing the guitar at this moment? Which would be the answer? Obviously, this is an affirmative answer because he is doing that. Okay, so the answer is yes, he is. Okay, let's go on with the last question. Fourth and last question. Is the dog playing with the ball at the moment? Is the dog playing at the ball with the ball at the moment? As you can see, the dog is not playing with the ball, so the answer is negative. And it is no, it isn't. No, it isn't. Okay, my dear friends, so I hope this video is useful for you. Remember to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to continue watching more videos like this one. Okay, well, see you in the next video. Have a great day. See you next time.